Alright guys, it's been a couple months since I posted a video, but I've just been super busy with other things going on. So I took the car to the track the other day, or over the weekend, and didn't do too bad. Got some time slips here. Not the greatest, but I wasn't really going ham on the car full throttle, so best one was a 9.2 at 80 mile an hour. But yeah, then I ended up purchasing a wing, carbon fiber wing. But I'm gonna run the orbital on the trunk lid first before I put it on, because the old wing left behind some marks, and there's also some scratches on there too, so I'm gonna get those orbitaled out with the Adams swirl killer. I think it's the 15 millimeter swirl killer. Probably use the heavy correcting compound first, correcting polish, and then the finishing polish to finish it off. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now we're going to do a little surface prep with the Adams before we do the graphene ceramic. I will be washing the car after all this because I never washed it after I took it to the track, so it gets all dusty anyways when you run the orbital, so as you can see, looks pretty good. It's gonna be super clean when you put the ceramic on there. Yeah, advanced ceramic coating from Adams. That's what we're using with the applicator and the extra soft plush borderless towel. Alright, let's get started. Put a nice amount on there. Try to do a little spot at a time. Don't mind the cats. Alright, so here's the wing. I test fitted on the car earlier. It's got the bolt holes in there already. And I've got some leftover suede, stick-on suede, that we're just gonna put a little triangle piece in there, square piece, over top the holes there, and then just cut out the holes. Alright guys, so we got the bolts put in there. I put some Loctite on them. And they don't have to be super tight, just hand tight, because then you'll start bending the trunk lid if you tighten them too much, and you don't want that. And that's about it. There's the finished product. Wipe off fingerprints. Gives it a whole new look, I think. Windows will be getting tinted here soon. They need it. Thanks for watching.